Hello friends, in this video we are going to cover the NSE circular which talk about the revision in the market lot size of derivative contract of Bank Nifty and 78 other stock. In the F&O market, in the future and option market, we have to trade in lot size. That means we cannot buy or sell a single share which we can do in the cash market. So here we have to make a trade, we have to make a buy or a sell of a contract in the lot size only. And the lot size differs from stock to stock and indices, and the Stock Exchange of India, that is SEBI decides the market lot size of the stocks. So the revision is regarding the change in the contract size of the Bank Nifty monthly contracts from July 2020 onwards. So there has been a change in the contract from 20 lot size to 25 for the monthly contract. That is, for the July weekly contracts, we continue to have lot size of 20, and after July all the contract series will have lot size of 25 for the Bank Nifty contract. We are not talking about the Nifty contracts, it is the change in the Bank Nifty contracts. If you are going to deal, if you are trading, or if you are thinking to trade in Bank Nifty contracts for the July, you need to check the lot size, how it will differ your margin. About margin we are going to cover in the subsequent part of the video. Besides change in Bank Nifty contracts, we also have the lot size changes revision for all F&O contracts on 78 other stocks. So there has been a reduction in the 4 stocks and the increase in lot sizes of 74 stocks other than the change in the Bank Nifty. Now, why do exchange revise the lot size? So SEBI mandates that the contract value of all F&O contracts remain between 5 to 10 lakhs. In the periodic review happens of all the stocks of the F&O contract every 6 months. That is, in a year, 2 times a periodic review is done by the exchange, and if the contract value of a scrip is beyond this range, that is beyond 5 to 10 lakh range, there is an upward or downward revision in lot size is required. So stock 2 times in a year reviews the same. Now what happens in F&O market? At any point of time, we are going to have the 3 series of a contract: near month series, next month series and far month series. So you can trade in 3 contracts of 3 months, and which will be called as near month series, next month series and far month series. So now July 3 series open are July month series, August month series and the September month series. July series is near month, August series is next month, and the September series are far month contracts that are traded in F&O market. So currently June month is going on. So how can we have the July contract series in the June month? It is because the expiry is happened on the last Thursday of the month. So on the 25th June, we have the last Thursday of the June month. So all the contracts of the June month have been expired on the Thursday, on the last Thursday. So now, even in the June month, we have the July contract and the other 2 contracts of the next month and the far month series. Now, interestingly, Bank Nifty derivative contracts have weekly expiry also in options, not in future. In option, we have weekly expiry of the Bank Nifty contracts also. So we have checked here that weekly expiry of the July contracts will have the same lot size of 20. Now we are going to talk how this change in the lot size of Bank Nifty and other 78 stocks will have the impact on our margin from the previous margin. So now we need to understand one term, contract value. Contract value is the lot size you applied for into the future or strike price. So lot size, it could be one lot size, two lot size. A lot size could have 100 shares, 200 shares. That depends on stock wise in the F&O market. And if you are purchasing a future contract, then you have to buy or sell, you have to trade at a future price. And if you are dealing in option contract, then a strike price is there. So how margin is calculated, it is based on the contract value. Let's see how. So for equity market, derivative means both future and options. So in both the scenarios, in both the future and option, we're going to see the impact of the margin. So option buyer. In option, we have option buyer and option seller. Option buyer pays the premium because they have buy the right to purchase the option contract. So they have limited loss but have unlimited profit because they only pay the premium, not the full price of the contract, which could be lot size into future. Sorry, in the option contract, it would be lot size into strike price. So for the option buyer, the amount he is going to pay will be premium into lot size. So definitely the change in lot size will increase the amount he is going to pay. We are going to see an example. First of all, let's check the situation for the option seller or the future trader. For both option seller and future trader, there is an unlimited loss, so they need to keep a larger margin with the broker or exchange per lot. Now for example, Mr. A sells one lot of Cipla, lot size 1300. It is a change lot size at a strike price of 720, spot price in the cash market is 634, and the premium received is 10.10 and assume a margin of 20%. So we are talking about option seller. Okay. So for the option seller, the option position is stand at the lot size into the strike price. Strike price lot size is 1300. It should be 1300, and strike price 720. So 9,36,000 is the contract value, and the margin we have assumed at 20%. So earlier he is going to pay at the lot size of 1150. The margin he used to pay would be 8,28,000 into 20%. That is 1,65,600. But now, after the change in lot size of the Cipla stock, he is going to pay 1,87,200. So you can see there is a change, there is an upward change in the margin amount of 21,000 approx. So basically for both the option and the future contract, the margin requirement has definitely gone up, and trader needs to look at the margin before entering in such contract because there is a change. So here at the money control website, you can also check both future and option for the stock and index. So here we can see there is market lot size of 25 for the Bank Nifty contract for the July, and here we can see near month, next month and far month series available. So you can check from here the details. You can also check for the stocks, like for Cipla, if I check, expiry, let's say I'm taking as June month. So here you can see market lot size has been changed to 1300. Previously it was 1150. So here you can check the details. Now for 78 other stocks which has been changed due to lot size. So you can check these 4 shares have the decrease in their lot size, like Asia Paints have decreased from market lot 600 to 300, and for others there is a decrease in lot, there is an increase in lot size. Like we have taken example of Cipla. So Cipla have changed from 1150 to 1300. So these are 72 stocks. and there has been a decrease in lot sizes of 4 stocks. So that's all for the notification. Thank you friends.